This your boy Master D Now. We back with another video, and this is Life with D Nell's Kids. Oh wait a minute, where Dakota at? Where Dakota at? Where she at? Where she at? Huh? Where she at? You know where she at? Oh no, where you, how long you been back there?
I was down there when we started the video.
Oh, I didn't even know. You know, so. But today we're gonna be doing
a rainbow with Skittles, and we show you how.
Rainbow.
And
Alright.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see our videos. Definitely.
Get it. Go. Alright, let's get straight to the video.
So we have these two, each of these.
Okay.
A purple bag and a red bag.
Let's get over here a little bit. So we're gonna make a rainbow, y'all. We're gonna use this water. That's fine. That's your drink water.
Okay.
Okay, so which one we're gonna use first?
I want to use the purple one because purple's my favorite color. So I'm gonna open it.
Let me do it. Okay.
I'll put the red one right here so you can see what kind of it.
So we got the original and then we got wild berry.
I think I tasted the one. And I think I tasted both of them.
So how do we do this? We just make a rainbow.
Yeah, you put it in a circle.
So we gotta pour it out and put them in a circle.
We don't pour it out on the plate, but if you want to do that, you can do it. We
can take off some of the extras if we don't want too much.
Yeah, we don't want to.
Put them in the bag. Put them in the bag.
You get the extras out, and I'll use the rest to make the circle.
So what, you just gonna like put like each color?
Yeah, each color.
In a circle, like how many times though?
Like, just keep going until it's all done. It's fully a circle.
But it's gotta be the same colors, right?
No, it doesn't have to be the same colors. It just have to be different colors at the time, like a rainbow.
So basically, we just put them on a plate any kind of way? Mm-hmm. It doesn't matter?
So we just put them in a circle.
What if we put them all together?
It doesn't matter. We have a lot.
Put all the greens together and all the blues together. What if we do that? Can we do that?
Do what?
Put all the blues together and all the greens together.
Can I eat this one?
Yeah, go ahead. It's fun. It's all fun. It's all fun. We got more. Can we put all the colors together? Stop eating so much. We gotta make the rainbow first.
Okay, but they're good.
Yeah, but you're not gonna have no rainbow. You keep eating them all.
There's so much green over here.
No, put them back, because then maybe we can use them. We probably can just use all of them. We gonna eat them even if we wet them, unless we just gonna use like, let's use like 5 each. Like maybe use 5 each. Let's do that. Like use 5 of each color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the rest you can put back. Put them over here temporarily.
You see how I lined them here? Just add 1.
5. Put them over here for right now, and we can put them in the bag. Just use 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look at us, Elijah.
And then like we can decide like if we're gonna put them like a certain way. We can put them like together, or we're gonna put them like.
Why are you taking it?
Because we use a 5, remember? And then we're gonna make it do what we're gonna do later after we fix it. We're gonna mix them up. Just be creative.
Yeah. We need to put. There. Now we need the water.
Wait, matter of fact, we can just add more in. Let's see, because we don't got that many red in there.
Yeah, we should add more.
Yeah.
And make it like a whole big circle.
Yeah, like just go ahead and
Just
put
keep
them
going in the middle.
We're gonna still eat them anyway, so.
Yeah, after we can eat them.
Even though they wet.
Yeah, it might be good still. It might be sweeter or good. Or something.
That's not over there.
And when they get wet, they turn white.
They turn white?
Yeah, when it's like by itself, and you put it like by itself in the water.
Taste the rainbow.
What if this doesn't work?
Well, what do you mean? What if it doesn't work?
I don't know.
Doesn't work how? Like, because we putting them all in together?
I don't know. Let's just try it.
Because it's really going
It's
to
like-
change color. It's going to show a different color mixed in. But it seems like we got a lot of different colors that more of the other colors.
Water time.
Pour a little bit in the middle. Did it work?
It did not work. It's working! It's working, it's working, it's
Oh, it's a
working.
different color.
Well, it's still a color.
Let's do the other one.
Well, can I eat one?
You can eat some now. For sure.
I feel it. I feel like
And we gotta do a circle with these.
it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It's really good.
Did they do it like this? Did they like make a circle like this?
Not like how we make it.
How did they make it?
They just made a circle around and then put water in there and then it worked.
Let me see. Let me see the water.
Look, it's going. Look at the colors.
See, and it's changing more colors.
Yes.
Let me see.
The water?
Yeah.
Okay. This time you do a little bit. Okay, put one. Okay. We need more water.
Oh man, that's messed up.
It went in the table.
It's okay.
It's like orange.
There's a lot of colors that mix in with orange as well.
Look at it. Oh my god. Look, Elijah.
Look at these ones.
Look at And good. And my hands are getting wet. It's really good. I don't know why we did this. This was fun.
And look at it, two different colors.
And they're really good. Are we gonna eat all of these?
Might as well.
Uh,
Taste the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.
When I'm eating them both if I take one from here and take one from here, it's a different taste.
This is really good though.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, this is flavorful. That's all I gotta say. It's flavorful. It's definitely flavorful, like all flavors. You know what I'm saying? Good flavor. If you ain't already done it, go ahead and do it. Do it. Finger up there. But yeah, make sure you subscribe.
And make sure you thumbs up and hit the bell if you want to see more, if you want us to make more.
Boom. It's a life with D-Nail's kids. Out. Also guys, I want to tell you, If you make this as just a random snack, you basically got candy soup.
It's good. And that's not your real stupid dad. He's not really drinking it. He's pranking you guys.